Hi guys, my name is Jasmine. I'm going to show you guys how to get a dewy effect with the Artistry Future Glow Serum Foundation. My shade is Beige 201. I'm going to use just one pump of the foundation on the back of my hand to warm up the product. And then I'm going to use a damp Artistry makeup sponge to apply all over my face, starting in the center of my face. I'm going to pick up the foundation with the sponge, and I'm going to start in the center of my face. Often, we have a little bit of need of more coverage in the center of our face. So this is where you want to start by adding your coverage. And I'm just tapping the sponge across my entire center of my face and taking it and blending it seamlessly to the outer corners of my face. Make sure you get all creases of your nose. And I'm just tapping this into my skin. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this foundation because it is vegan. And there you have it, you guys. The Artistry Future Glow Serum Foundation is absolutely gorgeous. It gives you a dewy, skin-like effect. I'm so excited to show you guys the new Artistry Future Glow Pressed Powder. I'm going to show you guys how to create a flawless effect on your face with a luminosity glow. So I'm using the powder with the Artistry powder brush. Opening the powder, it does come with a powder puff, which you can use as well, but I'm going to use the powder with the brush. So I'm going to pack the powder into the brush, tapping off my excess. And what you can do with this powder, if you want to get rid of some shine and keep some, I'm going to hot spot in the areas where I'm most shiny that I don't want to be shiny. So I'm going to start in the middle of my forehead and just pack that powder on and swirl it in for a luminosity effect. And as you can see, it already is taking down some of my shine. Adding a little more, I'm going to start in the center of the face of my T-zone. Just swirling that product in. And as you can see, this creates a luminous effect on the skin. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a perfect brow with the new Go Vibrant Waterproof Brow and Tinted Gel. I'm going to be using the color in Soft Black. What's really cool about this pencil is that it actually has one side that has a triangle tip and the other side is a tinted brow gel. 2 for 1. It's amazing. So to create a structured brow, I'm going to show you guys how to map it out. So you're going to start at the edge of your nostril and measure all the way up towards the front of your brow, and that's where it should begin. From the tip of the nose to through the iris is where your arch should be, and then from the edge of the nostril to the edge of the eye is where the end of your brow should be. This will help you get a beautiful structured brow. I'm going to start with the thicker end of the brow pencil. I'm going to start on my arch and move towards the end of my brow. Create that shape. And I'm going to move towards the front of my brow. Give structure as well. And what I really love about these brow pencils is that they're water resistant and smudge proof, which you know all girls need. I'm going to take it in the front as well, and you want to try to make them as even as possible, but remember they're sisters and not twins. And I'm just moving towards the top of my brow. You need to wipe off a little excess you can. And then I'm going to move towards the front of the brow, and I'm going to flip my brow pencil towards the skinnier side. We're just going to go in upward strokes. Create hair-like effect so it's more natural in the front. Alright, and that looks pretty good to me. To finish off the brow, I'm going to switch over to the tinted brow gel. This I love because it actually can help you have more natural looking brows and keep them in place. So I'm just starting by putting the brow gel through the front of my brow and brushing it through all the way to the tail. And there you have it. Beautifully sculpted brows. And now this is beauty without compromise. Now I'm going to show you an application technique with the new Go Vibrant Artistry eyeshadow quads. But first, I'm going to even out my eyelids with the Artistry Exact Fit Concealer. I'm going to be using light medium. I'm just going to take a little bit of this concealer and place it on my eyelids. This helps to get an even base, and it helps with intensity of color. So I'm just using my finger to blend this all over my eyelid base. As you can see, it creates a really even base. Just like that. And next, we're going to go in with the eyeshadow quad. I'm using Golden Harvest. I'm going to go in with the shade number 1 all over my base. Taking a fluffy crease brush, tapping that into the powder, and tapping off my excess. I'm just going to take this all over the base of my eye, all the way up to the brow. This helps set that concealer in place as well. And I'm going to show you guys how to get a smoky halo eye. So taking the same brush, I'm actually going to go all the way into shade number 4. Going with the crease brush, picking up the product in my brush and tapping off the excess to minimize fallout. I'm going to start on the outer corner of my eye, starting at the lash line and taking that up slightly into the crease. Taking that into the crease. Don't be afraid to go all the way over, because we're going to take that into the inner corner as well. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, starting with shade number 4. Going with the crease brush, picking up the product in my brush and tapping off the excess to minimize fallout. Starting in the outer corner of my eye, I'm just taking it in the outer corner crease and then pulling it all the way into my entire crease, connecting to the front of my eye. You can go in soft circles to blend. Like so. And then I'm going to take the same color, number 4, tap off the excess, and go in the inner corner of my eye. And blend that up into the crease. Create a halo effect around the center of my eye. Looks great. Next, we're going to go in with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with shade number 2. Picking it up on my brush, again tapping off the excess, and just patting that in the center of the eye. Next, I'm going to take shade number 3, and just a little bit more in the center of the eye, and in the inner corner of the eye. Now we want to go back into shade number 4 with a small smudging brush. On the lower lash line, to connect to the top. And there you have it. This is a beautiful Golden Harvest halo eye. And next, I'm going to show you guys how to get an easy cat eye liner with the Artistry Go Vibrant Long Wearing Liquid Liner. I'm going to use the Artistry Brow Brush to stamp a line on each side of my eye to measure out where I want my eyeliner to be. Taking the dark brown shade number 4 of Golden Harvest, we're going to go from the bottom lash line. We're just going to stamp a small line, and we're going to make sure it's even on the other side. This way, it helps you eliminate guessing if your eyeliner is even. And those look even to me. Now we're going to trace it with the Artistry Go Vibrant Long Wearing Liquid Liner. This liner is amazing. It's water resistant and smudge proof. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace where we put that eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take the liquid liner and trace out where we place that eyeshadow. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Making sure we're checking for symmetry. Looks pretty good. And next, I'm gonna go in the inner corner of my eye. Light strokes all the way through. As close to the lash line as you possibly can get. Take your time with this. Be patient with yourself. All the way through the middle of the eye to the end of the eye. And then I'm going to connect from the line in the center of the eye to the edge of the line that I put on the outer corner of my eye. Drawing it down and creating a triangle. And coloring in where I made that triangle box. Simple and easy cat eye. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Starting in the inner corner. Connecting the outer corner of the eye. Again, we're going to take it and draw down, connect to the outer line, make a triangle box, and then you fill it in. Really love this eyeliner. It has a calligraphy-like tip. And just like that. You see how they're even, guys? That pro tip will really help you out. Looks absolutely fabulous, and it's super easy to use. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to use the new Artistry Go Vibrant Waterproof Length Serum Mascara. Opening it up, I'm going to take the brush, and looking down into a compact mirror, this helps so you don't get the mascara on the top of your eyelids. I'm going to take the brush, and I'm going to start by putting on the top of my lashes, as this helps to curl and lift the lash. And then I'm going to go underneath the lash and wiggle from root to tip, getting each lash coated with the mascara. And you can blink a little bit to help push the product into the lashes. This mascara is really amazing. It is waterproof and it's smudge proof. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Again, we're starting on the tops of the lash. And when this dries down, it's gonna help lift your lashes and curl them. And now we're gonna go on the underneath the part of the lash, from root to tip, wiggling upwards. You can think of this in a zigzag motion. Making sure to get those inner corner lashes. Next, we're going to do the bottom lashes. Quick tip for bottom lashes, you can flip the brush vertical and just put it through your bottom lashes. This helps keep it off the skin and make sure you get every tiny little lash. And there you have it, guys, the new Artistry Go Vibrant Waterproof Length Serum Mascara. And before I go, I definitely can't leave without my favorite lipstick. I'm gonna use the Artistry Go Vibrant color in Very Special Evening 104. We're just gonna apply this to the center of my lip and all the way across. There we have it. Couldn't ask for a better way to complete my look. Now this is beauty without compromise. Remember to go and find your favorite new products at amway.com/artistry.